Hey, seventh graders, welcome back to asynchronous learning, which means I will be posting videos once again for instruction. So we have finished the nonfiction portion of our Iditarod unit, which was reading spreadsheets and maps and tables and charts and photos and things like that, trying to make sense. We talked about explicit or factual information versus implicit, which is conclusions, inferences, things that you can draw based on evidence, based on data. So since that part of the unit is done, we're going to start our second part, which is poetry. We're going to be reading books related to dog sledding and the Iditarod, etc. And we're going to be using what are called literary devices to talk about the different elements of your books. So if you've ever heard of a simile or a metaphor or onomatopoeia, then these are the topics that we will cover in this unit. So for this lesson, there is a Kahoot that I've set up in the lesson, and you will be doing that independently. You don't have to participate as the whole class, so that I can see what you know about literary devices and what you don't. So good luck.